Hello students, welcome to Maths Hub. In this video, you are going to know what is a circle and mainly what is pi and how we got this pi. Okay? And finally, how to derive formulas for area of circle and circumference of the circle. Moving on to first topic, what is a circle? Okay, first, what is this one? It is a dot or a point, right? So, a circle is nothing but when you connect all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Suppose this is the center, it is a fixed point, and suppose I will take some distance as d. Okay, the distance from this point to this point is suppose any 3 units, and again if I find all the points which are at a distance of 3 units from the center, you will get the points like this. Okay, and if you join all the points, the formed figure is called a circle. Okay, nothing but the points, if you join the points which are equidistant from a fixed point, the formed figure is a circle, or the figure formed by joining all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point is known as a circle. And see what is pi. Okay, in general I am taking 3 circles. Okay, if I want to find the total boundary of this one, okay, what it is? Total boundary of these circles. How I have to find? As you cannot measure using the tape, what I have to do? I have to take a thread and keep along the on the boundary, and I have to take the thread and I have to use scale to find how much length it is. Okay, so this total boundary we call it as circumference. What it is? Circumference of the circle, nothing but the length of its boundary. In general, we call it as perimeter for geometrical shapes, but here for circle we call it as circumference. And after finding circumference for many circles, what our mathematicians have found out? Our mathematicians has found a very interesting topic, that when they are finding the diameter, see the distance here we call it as radius, and this, if you double the radius 2r, we call this as diameter. Okay, and whenever they are finding circumference for any circle and finding the ratio between circumference and diameter, they show that it is getting nearly same. What it is? The ratio, they are getting the ratio of circumference and diameter as same for each and every circle. Not same but near. Okay, so they have given that ratio a name called pi. Okay, so pi is nothing but the ratio of circumference to the diameter of any circle. Okay, understood or not? Nothing but pi is the ratio of circumference to the diameter. This value they are getting approximately equal to 22/7 or 3.1415 like this, and so on. But this is not exact value, this is approximate value. So we call pi as irrational number. Okay, and from this we can derive the formula for circumference of a circle. What is the circumference? As you know, pi is equal to c by d. Circumference is equal to pi into diameter, or if you know radius, diameter 2 times of the radius, right? So you will get circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, from this you got the circumference of the circle as 2 pi r units. And how we got the area of the circle? Let us see. I am taking a circle. Suppose its radius is r units. Okay, and I am dividing the circle so many small sectors. Nothing but like this. I am dividing the circle into very small sectors of equal length. Okay, here it is not clear. Take it as equal length, and this is a half circle, right? So after cutting it into different sectors, I am taking the half part. It will be like this, right? Okay, and I'll cut along the sectors. Okay, and if you take it like this, it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. And in the same way, take the down part and again cut along this same, you will get like this. Same. Both are same, right? Half and half. And if I take these two and if I join here, it will fill the remaining parts. And here, if you see, after cutting it into small parts, it will look like this. But when these parts are very minimum in size, then it will look like a straight line. Okay? You will get like a straight line, and for this straight line, here the length of this one is what? This is radius, right? And this total part is circumference 2 pi r, and this half part is 2 pi r by 2, right? Nothing but pi r. This is pi r. So this length is pi r. When these sectors are very small in size, it will look like a straight line, and this is also a straight line. So it will look like a rectangle. And what is the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth, pi r into r. It is nothing but pi r square. So area, this total area, it is there here only, right? So area of rectangle is pi r square. Thank you.